Good day everybody. So today we're going to talk about angle of elevation and depression. So let's start. First question is, calculate the angle of elevation measured from a point on the ground to a 50 feet tree that is 30 feet away from the tree. So let's illustrate. Let's suppose isipin natin na may right triangle tayo dito. And then lagyan natin ng theta dito na nag-represent ng angle na unknown. And then yung susunod naman is yung 50, a point to a ground. A point to a 50 feet tree. Yung height ng tree is supposed to be 50 feet. 50 feet. And then yung layo niya sa tree is 30 feet away. So, gagamit tayo ng SOHCAHTOA. Ang SOHCAHTOA means ang SO is simply sine over opposite over hypotenuse. And then yung ka naman is cos is equals to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. And then yung TOA is simply tangent is equals to opposite over adjacent. Ito, tignan natin to maigi. Etong height na to is tinatawag natin na opposite. And then ito naman is tinatawag natin na adjacent. Alin dito sa dalawa yung may opposite and adjacent? So, TOA ang pipiliin natin. So, ang gagawin natin is tan theta is equals to 50 divided by 30. So, may calculator tayo para may guide tayo. So, ang gagawin muna natin is input natin yung 50 feet and then divide natin siya by 30 feet. So, ang sagot natin is 5 over 3 or simply 1.67. So, tangent theta is equals to 1.67. Ayan. So, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan. Kailangan kuhanin natin yung theta natin. Para makuha yan is kukunin natin yung inverse ng tangent, which means tan raised to negative 1 tapos 1.67. So, input natin siya sa calculator. Piliin natin yung shift and then tangent. Shift and then tangent. So, piliin natin yung shift and then tangent. So, shift and then tangent and ayan. And then input natin tong 1.67 na value. 1.67. 1.67. And then ito yung magiging value ng theta natin, which means theta is equals to 59.08. I'm sorry, 09. 59.09 ang ating final answer. Then, next na expression the angle of depression to be 10 degrees. How far is the boat from the tower? So, supposed to be And then, ito yung input natin yung given. So, we have 10 degrees. So, we have 10 degrees. Sorry, 10 degrees. And then, yung height niya, which is 100 feet. So, ayan. So, apply uli natin yung SOHCAHTOA. So, ka, and then, TOA. Ayan. So, ang hinahanap natin dito is how far is the boat from the tower. So, which means, etong side na to, yung hinahanap natin, which means tangent ang gagawin natin kasi meron tayong opposite and then wala naman and then opposite and then adjacent. So, lagyan lang natin ito ng X. So, bale, input natin tan 10 degrees is equals to 100 over X. Yan. Ito yung opposite. Ito yung adjacent. And then, cross multiply lang natin siya. So, bali, cross multiply and then tan over 1 kasi ito. Tapos, ayan. So, bale, X tan 10 degrees is equals to 100. And then, kailangan X lang yung matitira dito. So, bale, di-divide natin yon by tan 10 degrees on both sides. Tan 10 degrees is equal. Ay, disregard nyo to. So, tapos, divide natin tan 10 degrees. Cancel na to. So, bali, matitira sa atin is X is equals to 100 over tangent 10 degrees. Tapos, input natin yung value sa calculator. Pag in-input na natin yung value natin sa calculator, on lang natin to. So, bale, 100 divided by tangent 10 degrees parentheses bale the distance of the boat. In conclusion, the distance of the boat is simply 567.19 feet. This is our final answer for our question number 2. That's all. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.